Hello, my name is Melissa Rodriguez. I am 26 years old. I live in Candelaria and I live with my parents, Alba and Ramiro, and I live with my daughter too. She is Samantha and she is 4 years old. Today I will talk to you about my last vacation. In the last year, in February, I went with my family to Cancun in Mexico. There we visited the Xcaret. It is a natural park, and there there are 5 restaurants. You can eat food around the world. It is very delicious, and there you can swim with the fishes and you can dance with dolphins too. We went to Isla Mujeres too. There is a beautiful beach. There we rent a car for to know all the beach and we take some pictures. The weather in Cancun is the same every day. In the afternoon it is usually sunny, but in the evening always is breezy. The weather in Cancun is amazing. You can enjoy off the beach in the day and in the evening you can go to dance. I give you some recommendation for that place. First is recommend that people wear swimming wear in Cancun. It's necessary that the people use sunscreen because the weather is sunny. It is good idea that you visit the natural parks. It's good idea that you swim with the dolphins because it's an beautiful experience. It's recommended that you walk on the beach at night and it's necessary that you have your passport. It is a good idea that you go to dance in the evening and it's important that you eat the Mexican food because it's delicious. People should visit many places in Cancun. The people out to go to the beach, they can go to the restaurants and they can go to the stores. Maybe you can buy some presents for your friends like tequila. This is a traditional drink in this country. The people shouldn't stay at the hotel all day because this city is beautiful and there are many places for visiting. That is all. I hope that you can go to Cancun because this is a beautiful place. Thank you. Bye.